Paano kasi binilan ng cellphone binenta? Kaya...
naisak lang.
Ha?
Naisak lang dito mo ginagamit. Ang bibig si Apo.
Pinaramita kayo sa kanya. Siya daw bahala mag-record.
Alin?
Hindi yan ako nainom ng tubig.
Here, red mark is recording. Okay now?
Okay na? Naintindihan mo?
Nay, hawak naman na. Nay.
Ay, sa harap ko.
Doon na lang ako.
Dito ako. Doon kayong dalawang Joma. Dito kami dalawang Nini. Jacqueline.
Okay.
Baya kayo ka Joma.
Jamal. Jamal. Tawagin mo.
Jamal.
Dito ka ba?
Randan dyan. Dito.
Dito na kayo, Nay, para dyan sa Kuya Jomar.
Kasi naman dyan tatlong. Ay, paano?
Sakay na kayo.
Diyan ka na lang.
Akin lang yung cellphone ko.
Dito kayo sa gitna. Ayoko dito sa gitna. Gusto ko sa bintana. Ayoko na. Ay. Baka mahilo kayo
We
dyan.
are going to Tagaytay. Nay.
Nice clothes.
You can change camera inside, outside.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Kasi ako. Samsung.
We can share, diba? It's better for
Yeah, it's kinda low. Same ba? Exit only, not yet. Oo. Yan na ngayon.
Where is the entrance?
Okay, go straight, babe. Just go straight.
Here, no?
Not yet. Sasakay kayo? Yeah, entry. Oh. Look. AM to 10 PM, they are not open.
This way.
They still not open.
Still not open?
10 AM open. But yeah, we can park.
Come on. rito na?
Ha? Why?
Ang lamig na pala.
Malamig no. So excited. Malamig na yun.
Ano yung vlog? We are going to the comfort room.
Malamig? Dali na. Alam niya na yun. Pag siya nag-aya, alam niya na yan.
Jacqueline, huwag mong patayin doon si Jacqueline.
Ay, mga pasalubong. Nag-enjoy na yung isa dun.
Ikot-ikot na. Meron pa lagi aanahan pa. Dito.
Yan ang picture, oh. Nay. Picture. Dali, picturean ko kayo. Kayong tatlo, dali. Ayan yung dalawa dun. Ayusin nyo na kayo. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Hello, guys. So, yeah. Dave, come on. Smile. Nice.
Good.
Oh my God, that's the taas.
Dito?
You should capture this. You already take video.
Already, already I take picture. And maybe also.
Napakano niya eh. Katuloy nasa Boracay kami. Takot na takot ako sa ano eh. Yung ano. Oh my God! Woo! Grabe! I can see. Oh my! Oh my God! Make sure.
Je me réjouis, on a les armes la ligne, moussage, pas de la nuit, à la guerre comme à la guerre. C'est jusqu'au bout de mes rêves, à la guerre comme à la guerre. C'est jusqu'au bout de mes rêves. Yambalo yo tokobina.
Bagal si Japan mag-ano.
900. Hello!
Babay si Jenny.
Nag-bike. Success.
Success.
Not scary? Ah. So, hindi ka natakot? Hindi ko kaya.
De la musique jusqu'au soir. Aussi dur, c'est notre loi. De la musique jusqu'au soir. Aussi dur, c'est notre loi. Napaloyo to kubina.
Na, teka, drummer, paulan na.
Thank you.
Aussi dur, c'est notre loi.
Yeah, that's one.
Jusqu'au soir.
300?
Aussi dur, c'est notre loi.
Ano ibig sabihin ng soft copy sa?
À la guerre comme à la guerre. C'est jusqu'au bout de mes lèvres. À la guerre comme à la guerre. C'est jusqu'au bout de mes lèvres. À la guerre comme à la guerre. C'est jusqu'au
Already only 4.
à la guerre comme à la guerre.
Baby, it's called the pug.
No?
C'est jusqu'au bout de mes lèvres.
It's getting hot.
Getting hot.
Humid, yeah, humid. What you call that? Vikings.
But scary sound. Something scratch.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
No.
It's gonna be broken.
Mm. Maybe oil, need oil. Mm. Ay, oo.
What do you want to try?
Inay, anong gusto nyo? Sakyan.
Try something.
Mm.
Alin? Ayun. Yung carousel.
Yun naman. Gutom na kayo?
Ayoko sumakay sa mga ganyan. Kahit yung ako nahihilo.
Hello.
Nay!
Nabe. Mm-hmm. Raining na?
Maybe.
Nauhaw kayo? Tubig? Nauhaw ka na, uhaw? Ha? Gusto nyo? Ay, baka magta-try. Shawarma, gusto nyo? Shawarma? Apang, gusto mo shawarma? Ikaw sa? Tubig lang, te. Dalawa. Magkano? Sige pa.
Ano ba kasi nagkama? Ayoko sumakay sa mga ganyan. Kahit yun, ako nahihilo.
Hello. Nay!
Yeah, 3D.
Ah, 3D, okay. I want to try it.
Kaya ka rin lagi game.
Ako yung...
Done? Babe, that was good. Okay po. Babe, what did you choose? What did you choose?
Yeah, try the roller coaster, but we can do it around the world. The Africa, the Paris, Spain, yeah. Not scared.
Not scary. You should go.
Right. The other one. No? You, both.
No, I'm
No?
good.
Tapos natin sa kanila.
Thank you.
Yan po ay galing hanggang December 31. Okay? Ma'am, papatan lang. Ito po ay nakasapatan lang po mag-finish. Okay, ma'am? First game. Okay, first game. First ball. Oh, yun ba? Second ball. Okay. Third ball. Okay po.
Okay, ah.
Tapatan lang, sir. Okay, ma'am?
Yeah, almost. Almost.
Okay. Second ball. Okay.
Oh!
Last game. Okay, sir. Medyo isip na po ng konti, sir. Yan. Sir, bawal lumpas po. Agad dito lang, sir. Okay po? Last game. Play na. Oh, ikaw. Okay. Happy again, ma'am. Okay.
No one success.
Dito, ma'am.
Nay. That one, babe. You did didn't take
We have also the fish and chips.
Yep.
Very big, huh?
Fish.
For our fish and chips naman po, we use catfish or hito.
Ah, hito.
First, we coated the fish into beer and butter. And it comes with wedges, course, then for the sauce we have the black vinegar and the tartar sauce.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I saw it. I saw it. Look,
Oh, yeah.
the sign.
Reservation is on the right.
Let's look. Maybe we need to.
Hi, hello.
Hello.
I have a reservation.
Yeah, reservation po.
Yes, sir.
Name.
Takeshi Okoshi.
Within every room.
Okay.
Which way?
You see the parking lot? Maybe.
The lake. Ah, that's why it smell like fish. Ah. Ha?
Dito tayo tatawag.
Oo.
Layo. Ano ba itong Batangas pa?
What is it, Nay?
Nay.
What this? You? No?
Her sleeper bed.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
It is also. It is also, huh?
Jacqueline.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Jacqueline got excited.
Oh, wow.
Wow. What the view.
Saan tayo naliligo?
Diyan, lalangoy tayo dyan.
Ayan.
Ha? Dali na kayo. So, hello. Nahihilaw ka naman.
Yan ang paliguan niya.
Maghilaw ka naman.
Ha?
Doon may pool doon. Eh, hinaantay ko ni kuya, oh. Dali nyo. We should go first. Sorry po. Excited.
Nagagandahan lang sa view.
Abay na, ngayon na lang uli ako nakarinig ng kulog.
Ha?
Ngayon na lang uli ako nakarinig ng kulog. Lagi nasa loob ng trabaho eh. Fountain. Picture tayo dyan mamaya, ano?
Ha?
Picture tayo dyan mamaya.
Ayan na. Tatanungin ta kasi kung ano ito. Right?
Inay, what's this? Sabi niya.
Happy Tuesday.
Yep.
Do they have any allergy?
ID?
Allergy.
Ah, wala naman. No, ma'am.
No, no?
Yeah. Wala kayo allergy, no?
Welcome drinks po.
Yeah, I need welcome drinks. Thank you.
Nothing. Name or name?
I'll go for the name today. And can you put none here? It's September 16th.
Yes.
And then this one. Thank you.
Name?
None for the no allergies.
No.
None.
Thank you.
Babe, you're welcome drink.
So for now, the room is not yet ready. We'll let you know as soon as it's ready. Are you will be assisting you, sir, or just do the errands?
Okay, thank you.
For the video, please ensure that no other guests are
you.
Oh, wow.
Please welcome. Let's come inside. Nakapag-lunch na po sila, ma'am.
Yeah, we're done. We can wait here?
You can tour naman po, ma'am, while waiting for the rooms po,
okay.
ma'am. Bali yung rooms po, ma'am, located po dito sa upstairs po. And then, maybe you can...
We can go around
Yes, po,
first.
yes, ma'am, while waiting po, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Babe, we can go around.
Yes, po. If you need assistance, ma'am, let us know na lang po.
Your
Para
name,
po
Jules.
namin, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
Where should we wait?
Here, babe, okay,
You
but
can wait.
but we can go around.
If you want to do a quick tour, sir, that way, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Pwede na kayo paupo dyan eh. Pagpabit na kayo.
Right there. Wow. Stunning.
Stunning.
Stunning view.
Picture, dali.
Oh, wow.
Oh, it's so nice. Babe. Ha? Alin? Oh, mag-check-in muna tayo syempre. Oh my God, so... Look at that. Wow. So, wow. So beautiful. Pag ganito yung mansion mo, Noy. Nay, pag ganito yung mansion mo, ang ganda, no?
Siguro sa ibang mayaman.
So, kailangan mo makarami ng picture.
Number 3. Yeah. Number 3.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, babe.
Enjoy po, enjoy.
Wow!
This room,
So, I told you.
yeah. Wow, it's really nice.
So big.
Oh, sorry.
Walang upa.
Thank you. May isang kama pa. There's another bedroom upstairs. Di ba? I told you.
Grabe, ang ganda. Nasa isang...
Ang ganda.
Oh,
Really?
it's really nice.
Jacqueline.
Oh, wow.
Ano? Sino dito?
Yeah. Cozy.
Grabe, gusto kong gatong bahay. Saan yung gusto matulog? Dito?
Ako dyan, doon kayo sa baba.
Oh, nauna na yung kanya man. Babe!
Ah,
Kayo sa baba.
what?
Nothing. Kuya Jomar want this. He will stay here. He said, I will be here, Go down, go down.
Okay, okay.
Hanggang na tayo ito, hanggang linggo.
Ano hanggang linggo? Ang tagal na. Martes pa na. Oh my God.
Then, inay upon Jacqueline.
Here.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
one bed.
Then, sino magkatabi?
Apong's here. Mother and me.
Here, Apo?
You mean?
No. You're mean.
Maybe this will be my place.
No, it's okay.
No. Kailangan mo ma-enjoy to.
Thank you.